Is your Lorex security camera's night vision not working? Let's fix it. First, the most common reason is simply incorrect settings. Start by accessing your Lorex camera settings via the Lorex app. Ensure it's updated to version 2.8 or later. Navigate to the camera's image settings or night vision section. Ensure that IR mode is set to auto. If it's already on auto, toggle it off and back on. Check the CNV, color night vision setting. If available on newer models from 2023 onward, experiment with setting it to auto or on. Sometimes, toggling this setting can resolve glitches. Make sure no nearby lights are interfering, as this can confuse the camera's light sensor. Finally, ensure your camera's firmware is up to date by using the Lorex Cloud platform. Outdated firmware is a major culprit with a 70% resolution rate after updating to version 5.2.1. If the problem persists after these quick checks, move on to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If basic settings didn't solve the problem, let's dive deeper. Dust or moisture buildup can degrade IR LED performance, especially in older models from before 2022. Gently clean the camera lens and the area around the IR LEDs. Next, understand the IR range limitations. Optimal night vision performance is typically within 20 to 30 meters. Objects like windows can block IR light. If you've confirmed the camera is clean and within range, consider resetting the camera to its factory defaults, usually a button on the camera or via the app. As of 2025, Lorex cameras use advanced AI to adjust IR levels dynamically. Look for Smart IR mode and experiment with enabling or disabling this feature. If you continue experiencing issues, consider Lorex's remote diagnostics or virtual consultation services. As a last resort, hardware failure may be the issue, especially if the IR LEDs are visibly damaged. Contact Lorex support for warranty options. By 2027, hybrid systems combining IR with thermal imaging for better performance are projected to become standard.